fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. Are you ready for my apple dessert cake? This cake is so simple, let's begin. In my bowl, I have these ingredients. Press pause, add those ingredients to the bowl now. Good. All you have to do now is basically stir like
good at that.
so until you have a nice smooth batter. There you go, that's what you're looking for. Perfect. I have here a 23cm cake tin which I have greased and lined. What we need to do is we need to place half the batter in the cake tin. And using a spatula, just spread it around. Spread it. Then you take your apples. What I have here is bramley apples, which I have sliced and obviously peeled, and just place them in your cake tin. You don't have to do it like this. You can basically just make sure they're evenly spaced, etc, etc. So that's all done, looking good. All you have to do with the rest of the batter is just dollop it on top. So that's what it looks like. It hasn't all spread, but that's fine. It's magic. You wait and see.
Yeah.
So on top I am sprinkling 25 grams flaked almonds and 25 grams demerara sugar. Now we need to place this in a preheated oven, 150 degrees fan, 160 degrees gas. Bottom shelf, and we'll come back when it's done. And there you have it. We will let it cool in the tin and then turn it out. Let's cut into it, shall we? Yes. The good thing about this dessert is it can be eaten warm or cold. So, you take your pick. There we go. Look at that. Some double cream. My fellow composers, take it all in. You need to try it. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it.
A single light is swinging, chasing shadows on the ground. An empty box of wonders, velvet lining makes no sound. Hidden echoes from closed doors, distant dreams of my name.